gotta hurry up and get started, people! So while I'm pulling up the Saskatoon goal siren, actually, you know what? I have a better idea. Give me a minute. Okay, guys, sorry about that. Anyways, lineups: Megan, Sharp, Pozo, Hart, Kovalchuk, Lucic, Alfredson, and Subban. We are underway. Pozo shoots no. I have a little surprise for you. It might have to wait a while, though. And a giveaway. Giving right back. Puck on the line. Shot, save, rebound. Oh, a great save by Hart. And now a beautiful pass to Sharp. Subban makes another save. 7:33 puck drop. And score! 20 seconds into the game. Lucic deflects it. And it's not... I think they were joking. What the heck? Lucic scores 1-0 Rebels 20 seconds into the game. I hope they were joking. It seemed like they were. Because Kovalchuk went and rammed Hart. And he wanted to retaliate, but he kind of just faked him out. I think they were joking. Anyways, Kovalchuk gets the goal. It's 1-0. 20 seconds into the game. And the throw failed. Pozo save. The puck is out of my reach, so I have to lean and get the puck. So 1-0 red team, and then the white team is the Blizzard, which is really the gray team represented by white. And scores! The Sharp shot! Tie game! How about that? New goal horn for Saskatoon. 1-1, and we're only 29 seconds into the game. How about that? A new goal horn. It's a Kallenberg Nathan K5LA. Same one that the Falcons use. Same one that the Syracuse Orange use. Throw by Sharp does not go. He drops it and fires another one. No. And keep it alive. Giving away to Pozo. He shoots another one. Subban makes another save. Nearly an own goal. Nice lead pass. Alfredson whiffs. Gets it to Lucic. He can't put it home. Sharp a blast. Nothing. And there's another save by Hart. Sharp with it again. Trying to get it to the middle. Pozo has it. Vegan makes a move. Can't put it home. Alfredson returns the favor with a shot. Now a rebound try by Pozo. And a penalty coming up against Saskatoon. The goalie is going off for the extra attacker. I think the penalty is going to be on Megan. I think so too. Saskatoon number 22, minor penalty for roughing. There have been a lot of penalties lately. We got a tie game. The power play gets to work. Give me just 1 second. So here we go. The next face-off with 103 seconds. Power play begins. Probably will last till 43 seconds. Sharp with it. Back across with Pozo. Given away. Offside on the play. It nearly thrown into their own net. That would have been devastating. .93 seconds. And a shot is blocked. Oh, nearly bounced in off the deflection. Oh, how did they score? Ilya Kovalchuk just tapped that puck. And it went into the net. Hart went to get it, but he just stood still. And the Rebels retake the lead. It's going to be another one of those games, huh? Where the home team never leads. On the power play. That's the first power play goal in forever. And the score is 2-1. South Texas comes in at 3-2-1, and Saskatoon at 3-3. So two very similar teams. As the whip shot by Pozo, you don't find the back of the net. Here's the face-off. Bounces to Megan. Megan shoots, deflected. And Kovalchuk, or no, sorry, that was Alfredson that returned the favor. Sharp deflected on goal. Another save is made by Subban. 1:12 to go here in period number 1. Score is 2-1. Nearly bounced in. I don't think it would have counted. The goalie's going to try it, and it goes out into the same bench. His first period moving rather slowly. Here's a draw. Turnaround. No. Megan in the middle. Fires no good. Opozo another try. Nothing. And Lucic threw it. Nearly went in. Sharp whip. Now put a shot on. Nothing. Kovalchuk saved by Hart. Opozo. To Sharp. He snaps the shot, and Subban turns him away. Lucic threw it out of bounds, and a penalty coming up. I swear, I'm not trying to throw it out of bounds with these players. South Texas number 17, minor penalty delay game. Okay, the players need to stop trying that move, where they try and throw it in the net, because it's not working. 43 seconds left, so the penalty will last till 2:43. Opozo's shot doesn't go. Nice pass over to Sharp. Can't bang it home. Oh, a nice catch by Hart. And he throws it out. Megan missed the shot. Back to the middle. Sharp with it again. And the pass took a deflection, and Opozo's shot was really off. Sharp takes a long shot. It's deflected by his own teammate, who now has the puck. Skates to the other side. Subban turns him away. I feel like South Texas is rushing shots for no reason. Sharp flies out of position. South Texas is going with the power kill strategy. Here's Alfredson. Dobin's given away to Megan. Shot! Save! 1 second left. Sharp. One more chance. Period's over. So after 1, it's 2-1 South Texas. Second period about to start. 17 seconds left on the penalty to Milan Lucic. So Saskatoon gets the draw. Shot. No, given away. Opozo threw it. Couldn't hit it. 10 seconds left on the power play. It's been struggles. Alfredson whiffs on the shot, and they want an extra pass penalty. They're not going to get it. Penalty is over. Both teams are full strength. The power play worked for one team, didn't work for the other. Just so happened to work for the road team. Sharp scores! Patrick Sharp with his second of the game. It's tied. Patrick Sharp, just a long shot, banks it in off the post. Great shot. Tie game. The Bulls are down. No, the Bills are down. Oh! Let's go! Kansas City 23, Buffalo 21 right now. Third quarter. Shot, save, Sharp, rebound, another stop by Subban. Got it across. Lucic with it. Lucic shoots one. No. Puck is on the line. Rebels have it. A lot of rush shots. Kovalchuk trying a very similar shot to Sharp. Opozo fakes the shot, but it ends up being a turnover. Lucic shoots. Save by Hart. A nice pass up to Megan, who now gives it to Sharp. Had a save by a flailing Subban. He makes another one. We're a minute into the period, roughly. We got a tie game, 2-2. Snapshot missed the net. And there's another save by Subban. Lucic with it. Takes a bounce, goes to Sharp. Oh, he can't put it in the open net. The goalie's on the ground. Bang it home. Subban has it. Across to Kovalchuk, who fakes the shot. And it deflects over. Alfredson takes the out of position shot. Nothing. 100 seconds left in the period. Lucic fires from the dot, doesn't go. Now he tries again from the blue line, nothing, man. We've gone a while without a stoppage. Kovalchuk fires nothing, man. We are still going. We might make it to the end of the period. There's 80 seconds left. And they score! Right when I say that, Kyle and Pozo bar down, and the Blizzard lead for the first time. Lucic. The Blizzard lead for the first time. The Bills got to keep it up. 80 seconds. Kovalchuk to whiff across. Lucic shot. No. And now Okposo has it. Fires save. And there's a block shot. And a good save by Subban on Okposo, who was trying to score again off the block. 3-2 your score. Puck sitting there, nearly threw it his own. Kovalchuk deflected. Couldn't bang it home. Sharp a save. Rebound. Another stop by Subban. Here's Lucic with it. Fakes it. Takes a bounce. Goes to Megan. And it's knocked into the corner by Subban. Subban trying to ring it around. Struggles doing so. Lucic with it. And he gave it away. Sharp. Across. Okposo put a bad shot on. Lucic going to try this again. He fires the biggest bomb I've seen in this season. That thing was a bullet. That would have been the longest goal of the season. How did that not go in? I thought it did for a moment. Kovalchuk blasted it. No. Sharp with it. Okposo gave it away. Shot. Save. 25 seconds left. And it's given away again to Kovalchuk. And Megan whiffs on the shot. Lucic with it. Snaps it. No. Kovalchuk. No, that was Alfredson. My bad. Second attempt. Sharp. No. Off the crossbar from Lucic. Now they're going to run a little time. Some beautiful passing. Kovalchuk shanks the shot. And now Sharp ends up missing. Goalie takes the shot. Subban. No good. The Blizzard, after 2 periods, are leading by a score of 3-2. 3-2 the score as we enter period number 2. Or period number 3. The Blizzard got a couple goals in that period. Chiefs have it first and 10 at their 37. They lead by 2. Here's the face-off. And the shot by Okposo is stopped and it goes out of bounds. Man, this has been a pretty slow-moving game. It's 7:46. We started at 7:33. It's been a 13-minute game. Takes a bounce, block shot. And now a whiff on the second chance. Alfredson across. And a save by Kovalchuk. Rebound missed the open net. And there's another block for Megan. The Rebels are selling. Selling? What are they selling? Goals? Maybe. Okposo's shot, save, and it deflects out off my leg, which is declared out of play. Whoa! Are they calling the offside? They're not. Sharp with a shot, missed it. And now Lucic rushed a shot. Gave it away. Okposo, my bad, that was Kovalchuk who shot it. I'm getting a lot of names wrong tonight. The fourth quarter is about to start. The Chiefs lead by 2. The face-off. Sharp with it. Long shot. Deflected. Lucic trying a decently long shot of his own. Megan to Sharp. Across to Okposo. Oh, it's an own goal! Wait, it's not fully over. The play is still live. I thought it was fully over, but it wasn't. There was a little smidge of the puck that was still on the line. So it's still 3-2. I thought it was an own goal, but no, it wasn't. Lucic missed the shot. Sharp has it. He fires nothing. Rebound save. Comes right back to him. He tried 3 in a row. 100 seconds left. There's a save and a missed a whiff on there. Lucic fired 1-0. Puck on the line. Sharp fakes the shot. Megan has it. Sharp gave it back to him. Lucic off the side of the net. .86 seconds left. The Blizzard continue to lead by 1. There's a shot deflected away. Kovalchuk has it. Fires no. Lucic rebound blocked by his own guy. And they're not calling the line play. It comes back to them, however. Alfredson, another save. 75 seconds. The score remains 3-2. 1:15 to go. Oh, what a save, Subban! That was for sure going in. And Hart makes a pretty good save of his own. Okposo taunting before passing, and a shot off the crossbar. 1:02 to go. Do you take the timeout, or do you just play on? 62 seconds. They chose not to take the timeout. The Blizzard are going to kill time. Sharp shoots. No, comes back. They can kill more. Whoa, that nearly went in. Tip pass given away. Shot Alfredson, nothing. They're going to possess it for a little bit. Lucic, he's been taking a lot of the shots in this third period. Give it to Kovalchuk or something. He's fresh. He hasn't shot all that much. Oh boy, is that an extra pass? They're calling it an extra pass. A late power play for Saskatoon. Saskatoon number 21, minor penalty for an extra pass. Wow, a late power play for South Texas. Now you take the timeout. Timeout taken by South Texas with half a minute left. We'll be back shortly. I believe there's already been one late tying goal in this series. We'll see if it happens here. Half a minute, the Rebels have a late power play. Down by 1. Here's a draw. They get it. They do not pull him. Goalie has not gone. Alfredson shot nothing, so they did not pull the goalie. They got to pull him this time if they get the puck. Wade Began fires a weak shot. Does not go. They play it back. The goalie is gone. Extra man is out. It is Yager. 13 seconds left. And a shot saved. Comes back, however. They still have it. Kovalchuk gave it away. Blocked on the empty net. Off the goalpost. And off both posts, they say. It goes out of bounds. They say it went off both posts. It goes out with 1.6 seconds left. But unless they get this draw, it's pretty much over. They're leaving the goalie pulled because what do you have to lose? Face off goes to South Texas. Game over. Blizzard win it 3-2. They hang on to win the game 3-2. The Rebels tried. The third try. The empty net went off both posts. It could have gone in, but it did not turn out to matter. 3-2 your final from Saskatoon. The Rebels tried, but they couldn't put home the tying goal. Now the Blizzard exit the ice. It became 3-2 in the second period, and nothing happened in the third. That's the game. Thank you for watching. 3-2 the final. Talk to you later.